How does UTI Mastershare Unit Scheme construct its end portfolio from a large universe of stocks? Also, what are the filters used to eliminate the wealth detractors?
At UTI, the investment process we follow is called as Core Alpha, wherein all the companies are measured on their last 5 years ROCs and operating cash flows into a 3 by 3 matrix, wherein R1, C1 companies are the best in the category, while the lower ones are the R3, C3 companies. Now, each of the fund, depending on its positioning, takes different weightages to different buckets. UTI Mastershare Unit Scheme typically has around 50 to 55% in R1 companies, but it does take exposure to R2 and R3 companies as well, where we believe there is a potential for improvement, as typically a company moving from R3 to R2 or R2 to R1 creates good stock returns. Coming to the filtering process, like I mentioned, UTI Mastershare Unit Scheme's focus is on competitive advantage. Whether it be the large caps or the mid and small caps, what we focus is on the competitive advantage of each of the companies. So that's the first level of filtering out. Post that, the companies with competitive advantage also will measure them against the potential that they have and the pricing that is prevailing in the market. I mean, what is the company's track record, the management's track record, and what is the current price building in. So based on that, we look for good margin of safety, and only then it becomes part of the fund.
Is there any specific framework used for investing in mid and small caps and enhancing the portfolio returns?
Yeah, as I mentioned, even in mid and small caps, the focus is on competitive advantage. We look at companies with strong leadership in a category. I mean, they could be leaders in a small category, or they have significantly higher growth than their peers or the large cap universe per se. What we've also seen is companies which are potential large caps in the next few years are a good source of alpha if we can identify them earlier. As far as the mid and small caps are concerned, the fund holds on to these companies as long as the competitive advantage is sustained. So many of the companies have been part of the portfolio for a longer time frame, for years together. Thank you for your patient listening.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.